I'm out in the Stag, and in this episode we sort out the speedo and tack. So welcome back to Henry's Garage. Enjoy, please like, subscribe, comment, and I've discovered that my overdrive isn't working now, so we're going to have a look at that next. But it was working before, so it must be a loose wire that I've got somewhere, since I didn't do anything on the overdrive. So we'll take a look at that at some point, but right now I'm just delighted I feel I can drive the car again because everything's in working order. So, tachometer, I fixed it. I had this the wrong side, or I had them all the wrong side. So swap that around. The tack has to be to the negative, and when it is, it works. So that's sorted. I still haven't got the speedometer working. Oops. So I've taken the cable off again, just hanging there, and just there, that's where it comes out. So I'm going to make sure that's turning first. So I'm going to switch on the car. I'm going to put it into first. The rear wheels are lifted. I'll let it out and I should see that spin, because that should indicate some sort of speed. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now, and we're going to check that it actually spins. Now, camera fell over on me first time, so we're going to give it another go. Still standing this time. Good, so we know that's spinning. So the next thing here, I mean, I'm positive it's this not connecting in properly. I haven't been able to find anything on how to get it to connect in. So what I'm going to do now, you see, this is the actual cable for the speedometer here, and this is the connector into the overdrive unit, and it's this that I'm not getting in properly, would be my guess. And so I'm going to try, and I might just make it worse, but I'm going to try taking this off, and it's really tight, but so I'm going to do it off camera because I'm working under the car. I'm going to take this off and then work and see if I can see how this turns, and if I can get this to fit on and turning before I worry about the cable itself. Okay, I've taken the overdrive unit connector apart, so I've connected that bit on, and that's nice and tight now. It's all flat, so I think that looks good. Now you can see the thread on there, so I'm now going to try to feed this bit in, okay, and then screw it up, and see how tight I can get it that way. I think I've got that fitted. It's here sticking out. Don't know how I'm going to get the cable fitted on there right now, but I'm going to see if I can see anything spinning in there now when I stick it in gear as before. So good, so that looked like it working. So the last bit, I can't get it to focus on it. Last bit is to fix the cable in, so I'm going to do that now. It's the moment of truth. So let's have a look. Putting in first, release and clutch. Okay, It always was a bit jiggy, so we'll see how it is longer term. I had that working before. Oh, there we go. Good. That's all I got for this episode. We're going to get the car down now, off the jack. And it's been raining, but it looks clear at the moment, so we're going to go have a little drive.